nibbles and sips, nibbles and sips. No quibbles or squabbles. We'll slurp and we'll gobble each crumb and each drip of those nibbles and sips. Rainbow Guard! I'm feeling nibbly and sippy. What time does True's party start? At 3 p.m. Lavender luck. That gives me plenty of time to get ready. Rainbow Guard, please polish my scepter for me while I practice my nibbling and sipping.